In a vessel, take 500 ml milk. Add 2 tablespoons custard powder with 1/4 cup milk. Stir well. Make sure that there are no lumps. Add 4 tablespoons sugar. Stir it well. Add custard powder mixture into the boiling milk. Stir well. Here we have taken butterscotch custard powder. Instead of butterscotch, vanilla custard powder can be taken. After it is cooked, turn off the gas and allow it to cool. Add fruits of your choice. We are adding grapes and mango. Mix well. Butterscotch fruit custard is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. See you next time.